Ever pondered what the future of technology holds, particularly when it comes to artificial intelligence and blockchain? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of these two game-changing technologies. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making waves in the tech world for quite some time now. It is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and even language understanding. Think of AI as your digital brain, capable of learning from experiences, adapting to new inputs, and performing tasks that traditionally require human intellect. On the other hand, blockchain, often associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is a technology that allows digital information to be distributed but not copied. It is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems. So imagine a book that's not just in one library, but is available in every library across the globe. That's blockchain for you. Now you may wonder how these two technologies, as different as chalk and cheese, can complement each other. Well, the answer lies in their inherent properties. AI, with its ability to learn and adapt, can make blockchain more efficient. For instance, AI can manage and optimize the data storage in a blockchain, making it more streamlined. Conversely, blockchain can make AI more understandable and transparent. It can track and explain decisions made by AI, which is often termed as the black box problem in AI. This means that the decision-making process of AI can be hard to understand, but blockchain can help shed light on this process. So in essence, AI and blockchain can work together, enhancing each other's capabilities. AI can make blockchain more efficient, while blockchain can make AI more transparent. It's like a perfect symbiotic relationship where both parties benefit from each other. In conclusion, AI and blockchain are two powerful technologies that are shaping the future of the tech world. They are different in their core concepts, with AI focusing on simulating human intelligence and blockchain on distributing digital information. However, they can complement each other, with AI making blockchain more efficient and blockchain making AI more transparent. So, as we step into the future, it's worth keeping an eye on these two technologies. They are not just changing the way we interact with the world, but also how the world interacts with us. And that, in itself, is a revolution worth looking forward to.